Hey there, thank you for watching this clip on solving your trig equation here. Now this is an interesting one. At the beginning, what I was thinking is square on both sides, but it turned out if you square this side without moving one of them over, it gets really complicated. So what I end up doing is this, 1 minus 2 cosine x. Now once you move this one, it has advantage in that when you square this side, you can rewrite it into cosine because sine squared is 1 minus cosine squared. And then on this side, you only have a cosine function. So then you can solve a quadratic equation from there. Everything should fall in place. Okay, so sine x squared equal to 1 minus 2 cosine x, the whole thing squared. Let's make this one equal to 1 minus cosine squared x. This side, I'm going to open it up. So that's 1 minus 4 cosine x plus 4 cosine squared of x. So over here, all I did is using the formula that a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. That's all I did over there. Now we're in the position to collect them up. So let's move everything over there. So I have a 5 cosine square x over here. I have a minus 4 cosine x. That's now moved. And this 1 and this 1 cancels out. I have a 0 equal to this side. Now, it turned out to be a pretty interesting one. So I have 0 equal to, let's pull the cosine x out. I have a minus 4 plus 5 cosine of x. That's it. From here, I have two solutions. I can either this side equal to 0 or that side equal to 0. Let's put a minus 4 plus 5 cosine x equal to 0 over on this side. And then I have cosine of x is equal to 4 over 5, or x is equal to arc cosine of 4 over 5. Okay, so cosine inverse of 4 over 5. Okay, now since cosine function is a even function in that both quadrant 1 and quadrant 4, so I could very well have this angle or this angle. As far as cosine is concerned, they're the same angle. Okay, now sine, if you had to use the sine for this one is actually be less than 0. The reason I know that is our original equation said sine x is equal to 1 minus twice of cosine x. This one is bounded by plus minus 1. Okay, so this term will always be bigger than 1. But since we're not using sine over here, so our solution can be just limited to right over here. So this is our solution here. Now, the other half is cosine x is equal to 0. This is pretty easy to solve. If you draw the cosine curve here, you'll see that it's pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, and it repeats from there. So you can write it out in one form, or you can just write pi over 2 plus 2n pi for one of them, and then x also equal to 3 pi over 2 plus 2n pi, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, so on and so forth, to be complete, because we were not told just to find a solution in first quadrant. Okay, so this should completely give all the equation, all the solution to this trig equations we're trying to solve. Well, hope this has been helpful to you. This is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson Math Doc channel on YouTube. Join me for more updates on this channel. Together, we can conquer math. Till next time, have a confident day.